The world is obsessed with AI right now, but trying to build a business around it usually feels like hitting a wall. For most beginners, creating structured AI content means spending weeks researching workflows, writing guides, and wrestling with complicated code. Today, I am going to show you a specific roadmap to bypass that development phase. By the end of this video, you will know how to launch your own AI digital product business without writing a single word or recording a single video yourself. The shortcut we are using is a done-for-you setup called the AI Cash Hack Blueprint for Beginners, which utilizes a licensing model known as PLR. PLR stands for Private Label Rights. This means you buy a completely finished product, slap your own logo and branding on it, and legally sell it to an audience as your own creation. Instead of getting bogged down in production, taking advantage of a finished PLR package allows you to skip the tech barrier and move directly to the sales and marketing phase. This diagram illustrates the difference in effort. On the left is the traditional route, a multi-week grind of drafting content and designing funnels. On the right is the PLR approach, one simple download. That single download unpacks into a library of 15 complete modules. This includes 5 high-quality training videos and a professionally written training guide packed with over 23,000 words. When you factor in the research, copywriting, and video production required to create all of this from scratch, the cost of these assets would sit at over $5,000. But because this blueprint is currently on a limited-time dime sale, the actual cost to acquire the entire package is just $9.95. Securing this finished material for under $10 removes the financial friction of starting up. You acquire a premium digital asset for less than the cost of a standard lunch. Step 1 is straightforward. You download all 15 modules directly to your local hard drive. Once you unzip the files, do not try to read through all 23,000 words right away. That is a quick path to feeling overwhelmed by the volume of information. Instead, bypass those raw files initially. Open up the fast action bonuses first, the included cheat sheet, the visual mind map, and the top resources report. These give you an actionable overview of the material you now own. Now we move to step 2, customization. This is where you transform the generic template into your own unique product. You open the included presentation slides and professional minisites, swap out the placeholder text, and apply your own custom logo directly to the materials. You also have full access to the raw video files. If you want a unique result, you can mute the default audio track and re-record the voiceovers yourself. These quick branding adjustments transform a standard download into digital products you legally own and control. With your branding in place, step 3 is uploading the finished files to your preferred sales platform or funnel software. If you have never built a sales funnel before, the technical setup is simplified because the sales engine is already constructed and included. First, you get professionally written sales copy. This handles the persuasion for you, so you don't need to be a copywriter. Next, the package provides a pre-made doodle-style sales video to engage visitors the moment they land on your page. Finally, you add in the animated marketing banners and the required legal pages, giving you a complete digital storefront. That brings us to step 4, launching the product and marketing it to your audience. You have multiple ways to generate interest. You can sell it directly to freelancers who want to learn AI workflows, promote it using the provided email swipes, or bundle it as a bonus alongside an existing product. Because you hold the private label rights, you keep 100% of the revenue from every single sale. And if you are still unsure if this blueprint is the right fit, your purchase comes with a 30-day, 100% money-back guarantee. You can download the files, review all 15 modules, and if you decide the content does not serve your needs, you receive a full refund with no questions asked. Combining a pre-built sales system with a money-back guarantee removes the standard technical and financial barriers to entering the AI market. In just a few steps, you go from having no product to possessing a branded AI training program and a checkout system ready for traffic. However, because this is structured as a dime sale, the introductory $9.95 price tag is rising every few minutes. If you want to secure your copy and lock in the fast action bonuses, click the link down in the description right now. While you are down there, leave a comment letting me know exactly how you plan to use this PLR package. The AI industry is moving fast. Getting a ready-to-sell package set up today is the difference between watching the AI boom happen and actually participating in it. See you in the next